The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, "Man ahabba sunnati faqad ahabbani wa man ahabbani kana ma'iya fil jannah." Whoever loves my sunnat loves me, and whoever loves me will be with me in paradise. Subhanallah. Islamic brothers, let us listen to some pearls and wisdom relating to sneezing. Mentioned two hadiths from the final Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, "Allah loves sneezes and dislikes yawns." He also said, when someone sneezes and says Alhamdulillah, the angels say Rabbil Alameen. If he says Rabbil Alameen, the angels say, may Allah have mercy upon you. When sneezing, you should lower your head, cover your mouth, and sneeze quietly. Deliberately raising the sound of a sneeze is foolish. The one sneezing should utter Alhamdulillah audibly so that it can be heard and answered. It is better to say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen instead. It is wajib for the one who hears this to say Yarhamukallah immediately in such an audible voice that the one who sneezed can hear it. May Allah Almighty give us all the ability to act upon these sunnats. Ameen. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.